This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kit, including Matisse's cutout ceramic box. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as a reference guide, paints, a paintbrush, and your ceramic box. To begin, using a pencil, draw out your design on the lid of your ceramic box. It is helpful to study and practice Matisse's style. Now it is time to begin painting. Be sure to wash and dry your brush to avoid unwanted mixing. Matisse was known as the king of color, so be sure to make your box very colorful. Don't forget to paint the bottom of your box as well as the inside. You can also add designs here. To give your designs a bolder finish, take a Sharpie and outline all of your paintings. Your box is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.